How to fix Wi-Fi icon is not showing on taskbar in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Toggle the network adapter. Reactivating the network adapter can refresh the connection with the Wi-Fi and may help the icon reappear. Fix 2. Restart File Explorer. A malfunctioning File Explorer may hide the Wi-Fi icon. Restarting it might resolve this. Outdated or incompatible drivers might cause the Wi-Fi icon to disappear. Updating them can fix the issue. Fix 5. Restart network services. Network services manage connections, and restarting them might resolve any underlying issues with the Wi-Fi icon. Right-click on each of these and select Restart. If some of these are not running, double-click to open Properties, select Automatic from the Startup Type drop-down menu, and click Start and OK.